Have you ever wondered if you could make money just by re-uploading videos? Well, I found something interesting on YouTube that might surprise you. I came across a video titled, "Copy and Paste from a Chinese App, Uploaded on YouTube Shorts and Earn Money." But here's the truth. They're leading you down the wrong path. These types of channels usually don't get monetized. I was curious, so I dove deep into YouTube to investigate re-uploading Chinese videos. What I found was a bunch of fake promises. Some say you can translate Chinese videos into English, upload them, and start making money. But let me tell you, only a handful of these channels ever get monetized. I spent a full month researching how to actually make this work, and I've cracked the code. Now, I'm ready to share my plan with you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to re-upload Chinese videos the right way, how to create your own original content, and how to make videos that stand out. Stay with me until the end because this could change the game for you. Let's dive into a clip I made as an example. I took a Chinese video and converted it into English. Take a look. Look, in this video I'll show you how to make videos like this for your own channel. And the best part? You won't have any copyright issues, 100% guaranteed. Ready to see how it's done? Let's jump in. Step 1. First, download the app using the link provided in the description. Once it's installed, open the app. This app is from China, so go ahead and launch it. Download the app, then re-upload it to your YouTube channel. Make sure you do this carefully to avoid any copyright issues. Now let's find the video we need. For example, I make funny animal videos. Here's the result I got. You should use more voiceover videos because they're less likely to cause copyright issues. So, let's find a video that fits. I'm quickly searching for my video. If your niche is different, you can use Google Translate to convert English into Chinese and paste it here. This will help you find videos relevant to your topic. Once you've found your video, you need to download it. To do this, click the Share button, then click on Save Video. This will download the video to your device. Make sure to download more voiceover videos with narration as they are safer for monetization. So I'm downloading a random video from here. The next step is crucial, so watch until the end to learn how to turn your video into a cartoon animation. First, go to the Vidno's website. This tool lets you translate your videos into different languages. Start by selecting the original language of your video. For example, I'll choose Chinese. Then select English as your output language. Next, click on the Upload button and upload the video you want to translate. Once your video is uploaded, give it a moment to process. After that, you have the option to apply lip sync, which matches the translated audio with the speaker's lip movements. You can also add subtitles. Now click on Translate Video. The AI tool will start working, converting your video's Chinese text into English. Once the translation is complete, click Download to save the translated video to your device. The next step is crucial, so stay tuned. So make sure you watch closely. Open CapCut and import the Chinese video you downloaded. After it's imported, trim the video to create a 4-second clip and download it. Repeat this process by dividing the entire video into 4-second scenes and download each one. Next, we'll turn these video parts into cartoon-style images to avoid copyright issues and ensure our channel can be monetized. To do this, go to the Go Enhance website. If you haven't already, sign up and log in. Once you're in, click on the Video to Video option. Now, upload the first scene you exported from CapCut. Just follow the same steps for each part of your video. After uploading, you'll see options to choose the video duration, 3 seconds or 5 seconds. I usually go with 3 seconds. Next, pick any animation style you like. For this example, I'll choose the pixel style. Now hit Generate and let the AI work its magic. This tool takes only 1 to 2 minutes to transform your video into a stunning cartoon animation. Repeat this process for each scene, and before you know it, you'll have an entire video ready. Best of all, this AI tool is free, and I've included the link in the description, so you can start using it right away. Next, let's dive into video editing using CapCut. Open CapCut and click on New Project. Add all your cartoon animation videos to the timeline, one by one. Now let's add the audio. Click on Audio, then select Extracted. Here, you'll choose the audio you translated using Nose AI. After selecting it, click Add. Once added, you'll see the extracted audio in your timeline. Turn on noise reduction to enhance the sound quality. Now your audio is ready. Next, we need to handle the Go Enhance logo. To remove it, simply zoom in on the video. This will crop out the logo, making your video look cleaner. To make your video more dynamic, let's add some transitions. Click on Transition and apply the ones that fit your style. You can apply them across all videos to create a smooth flow. Now, let's make your video more engaging by adding effects. Choose effects that match your content and apply them throughout the video. This will help avoid any copyright issues. Finally, let's add captions. Choose any template that you like. Captions not only make your video accessible but also help with engagement. Once everything looks good, export your video. Now, your video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube with no worries about copyright issues.